There is one step that makes a topic instantly easier. Scan first, then study second. I am Alexa, a third year pharmacy student, and this is day 5 of Daily Dose of Pharmacology Review, and now we're on the third step of the Recall Basics. Anticipate the content. But Alexa, this is a low energy type of task when studying. Anong makukuha namin dito? Like, nagsascan ka lang, then yun na yun? Actually, when you scan first a topic or learning material you're going to review, you will have an overview kung ano ba talaga i-review mo. And hindi ka malilito when you start studying deeply or studying deeper into the material. So once ma-open mo na yung file, naka-display na yung PDF sa tablet mo or sa laptop or sa phone, you can check the headings and subtopics first, like pwede yung table of contents, or you can skim through the file and then read the headings and subtopics. Then you can also check the high yield sections. So ano nga ba yung mga high yield sections? Yun yung mga tables, mga charts, mga diagrams, and then summaries na makikita mo sa mga learning materials mo. And even yung mga naka-highlight in red or bold texts, yun din, mga high yield information din yun na pwede rin lumabas sa exam. Then while scanning, you may notice some patterns or you can look for patterns. Example dito yung sa mechanism of action, then meron tayo mga effects, then merong uses, then meron contraindications, adverse effects. Yun yung patterns of pharmacology. So makikita mo yun for each section or for each drug. And by scanning the learning material, you can also have an idea kung alin dito yung madali, alin dito yung medium lang, yung sakto lang, and alin dito yung mahirap aralin. And with that, you can effectively plan kung paano mo aaralin yung topic na hindi agad maubos yung energy mo. And you can also plan your study sessions by knowing the easy, medium, and difficult parts of the topic. So for day 5, I already scanned the topics that I'm going to review for my antibacterials. So that is all. See you on day 6.